Hello and welcome to How to Channel. Today we'll be talking about how to create a Facebook account from start to finish using your PC. So let's dive in. First thing first, you open your browser, then you go to facebook.com. It gets you in. Now you click create new account. You put in your first name, surname, you add in your mobile number or email address. I will go with my email address. Then you enter your email address. You choose your password. Then choose your date of birth. You choose your gender and sign up. Now you get the code from your email and confirm your Facebook. You have successfully confirmed your account with the email address. You will now use this email address or the phone number you used to log in. Now click OK. Now you have successfully created your Facebook account. Now let's get to the customization of your Facebook profile. Now you click here and you click your name. Next is to choose your profile picture. Now upload photo from your PC. Now you click upload photo. You will now upload a photo from your device. So I'll choose my profile picture, then save. Now add a cover photo. Now click here to add my cover photo. You either choose your cover photo or upload a photo. So in this case, I don't want to upload a new photo. I want to use the same picture as my profile picture. So I'll just click choose the cover photo. Then I'll choose this and save changes. Now I have uploaded and updated my cover photo and my profile pictures. Next thing is to edit my Facebook profile the way I want people to view it. So I'll go to the About section. In the About section, you can add your workplace, your secondary school, your university, your current city, your hometown, your contacts and basic information. You can add it. In my own case, my email is already added. If you have a website, you can add your website. You can add a social link. In my own case, I will add my social link. I will add my YouTube account. I'll add my username of my YouTube, then add social link. Then I'll add my Twitter. Then you can make it public or only you or for friends. In my own case, I will leave it for public and I'll click save. You can add a mobile phone number if you want. Adding your phone number will take you to the account center and you can just add your mobile number or your email address. But in this case, I'm not going to add the phone number, but you can go ahead and do that if you want. Now go back. Now you can write more details about yourself. Now, once you are done filling the information in this About section, you would have successfully created your Facebook account. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification for more videos like this.